Okay, this is my new camera. Oops, yeah, I'm not very good at it. This is my new camera. This is a Samsung FX90. It's got a great zoom, dang. And I'm just learning how to use it. So I hope I get this good. This is a kind of an update on the camera, my new camera. Trying to zoom. I'm not sure how. Whoa, you can really zoom. Yeah, you can really zoom in with it. Zoom out a little. I got it sitting on this tripod. I'm not real good at doing this yet, so everybody's going to have to be a little patient. Because then you can zoom in like this on the tank. There's my raspberries. Some blue eyes running around there. A little bit. There's one of the blue eyes. That's a real tight zoom there. Yeah, this is not a bad little camera. It's supposed to be YouTube ready. It's supposed to have one button push and it uploads the video to YouTube. So we'll find out in a while how it's going to work. So far, it's a pretty cool little camera. You can take stills too. By hitting the button, you can take a still. I'm a little jerky on this right now. This thing's a little tight, the tripod, when I'm trying to move it. Maybe if I just move the stick up. I don't know whether that's better or it's better doing it the other way. There was a good shot of a blue eye. I'm really stiff on moving this tripod. Next time I might try to just hold it. I thought maybe it'd be better by putting it on the tripod. There's a silly guppy. Wish I could get them out of there. I've tried. They're so hard to catch in a tank that's so planted in so many hiding places. Trying to catch them things to get them out of there is a pain. Don't ever put guppies in your tank if you don't plan on keeping them. They're worse than a disease. You can't get rid of them. Now why is it focusing like that? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Well, that's it.